I wouldn't know about this because Kim girl, what were you thinking about this product? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is themarianyeli. I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and vlogs. And if you like that type of content, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like this video. So today we have sort of a major haul. It's going to be a collective haul. I have Zara, Skims Yeezy for the first part of this video, and then the second auction is going to be next Sunday, and it's going to be like a content creator Amazon must-have, Amazon Faves. So if you guys are interested on that, subscribe, stay tuned, turn on those post notifications so you can get notified when I do post that video. With no further ado, you guys, I have 14 packages to unbox. Now remember, this is gonna be a two-part video, so we won't be unboxing all of them on this one, but this is gonna be the clothing haul. And I have here many pieces that I really love. I'm super excited to show you guys, and I really hope that you guys enjoy. So let's get right to the video. You guys, I have a big problem. Look at all these boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 packages. We have 14 packages right here, not open. Well, some of them are. And we're gonna start with Zara. Excuse how crazy this box is looking. This box was the weirdest to open. So, and then I opened this earlier like I was saying. So the first item that we have here, it is a bustier crop top on size extra small. All the products will be linked down below, and this is what it looks like. This is the only item that I've tried from this box. It literally arrived today. I didn't even know that it was gonna get here today. I love this. I really want to love this, but as you guys already know, your girl doesn't really have much going on right here. So this doesn't really fit my body. It doesn't complement my body. So because it doesn't complement, this is gonna be going back. Now it is a little hard to put on. It has a zipper on the side. And then this right here, this part at the top, it doesn't come off. So it's like you have to like pretty much force it down your shoulders or try to put it from top to bottom if that works for you. So just keep in mind if this is something that you may think it complements your body, but to me it's a no. I would have kept it, but no, I ain't got nothing going on here. Next item, I have a ribbed one shoulder top, and I also got the ribbed pants. I gotta try this on. I still don't know if it will fit me, but I think it's really pretty, especially like when you want to look put together, you want to do it quick and easy. This is the best way to do it. A two-piece set, you can never go wrong with a two-piece set, like literally. Now I hope that this fit me. I'm gonna try after this video, but I just wanted to make sure that I was able to record this video before it gets dark. For the next item, it is called a printed skirt, drawstring printed skirt, and I think this is so pretty, so fun for the summer. It's like a skirt, but actually it's like short, and I cannot wait to wear this. I really hope that it fits. I got it on size extra small, and all of these items right here on this first order or first package, I got it from the Zara sale. And I also got another pair of skirts. I think these are so pretty. These complement the summer so well, and also the spring. And this is the printed linen blend skirt. I got everything in size extra small from this particular package. I really like this. I think this complements the summer very well. Maybe like with a white top. I still don't really know what am I gonna wear this. This actually comes as a two-piece set, but the shirt, again, because I don't have nothing much going on in my upper area, I didn't get it because it wasn't gonna complement me. So, but I love this. I can literally pair this with anything else. A bodysuit, maybe other corsets that does complement my body. And then you guys, I don't know if you guys have seen these babies in Zara, but I've been looking at them for quite some time, and they got on sale. They were like for $49.90 each, and I got them for $35.99 each. And baby, look at that color. Like, it doesn't matter because I'm wearing all black. It doesn't matter which one I wear right now. Like, both of them look good. So I decided to add the two of them. It comes in these two colors. And I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy. I didn't know what to pick, but I like both of them. I don't have anything on this color, and I have 1 to 3 color purses in black, but nothing like this specifically. I think this is so slick, so beautiful. Oh my god, like this will elevate any outfit. Like, and I don't want to return any of them. Like, I decided to add them two to my cart so I can return the one that I didn't like. And right now I'm like, I don't know. I want to keep them both. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because I'm obsessed. Alright, here we go with order number 2. I placed this order before the sale. And first I'm going to show you this. This was like $7 or $6 and some change. And I love this color. Like, I am here for it. You can wear this with jeans, shorts, leggings, literally anything, and you look so put together when you wear things like that and you pair it that way. Now, the only thing that I do not like about this is that right here they do not have much coverage, so when I wear my bras, like the side of my bra is showing. That's the only thing that I don't like. And I got it on the color green, and also I got it on the color black. I haven't wore the black one yet. The material, again, it is a cheap shirt. This one was showing like some of the material was like lifting, and just keep that in mind. It is affordable, but I don't think the quality is all the way there, but I like them. I mean, you can try them if you want, just keep that in mind. And then I also got me another purse. Well, this was the first purse I got before the first order that I just showed you, the last order that I just showed you. And look at this. It has a gold band, and I'm sure I'm 4'11", and I really like this. I can also wear from side to side, and then this is what is it? This is where it's staying. So I think that complements me really well, and I'm obsessed. I really love this. It's small. I wish it was a little bigger, but I think it's perfect. I don't know, maybe my camera will fit here. I have no idea if it will, but I think it's beautiful. I just wish it was just a little bigger, but I think it looks perfect just the way it does. So maybe I don't wish that it was bigger. And we're moving right along to Skims. I feel like honestly I rushed this order. I placed 2 orders during their sale, and I watched so many videos before, not like right before I made my purchase, but way before when Skims was like going all over crazy. Everybody was raving about it. Everybody's still raving about it now, don't get me wrong. But let's go over everything that I bought. I bought panties. They were on sale for like $5 to $35. This is on the size small. I have not tried them. So I got the Jelly Sheer Boy Short in color Sienna. I really wish I would watch many more reviews before I purchase. I feel like I made an impulsive purchase, and because all of this is final sale and I cannot return it. I think these are gonna be loose on me because of how stretchy and big they are. I'm typically a size small in most stores other than Zara and Skims, because there's a lot of their pieces. Zara, it all depends, and now I know that all of Skims clothes is so stretchy. These are also in color Sienna, and this is Jelly Sheer Dip Thon. I got 2 of them in this color because they were the ones on sale for like the buy 5 for $35. I think they're really pretty. I think these will definitely fit me. I'm so excited to try these. Also, these, I think they're super sexy. These are the Summer Mesh Mid-Waist Thon in ochre, size small. Most of the items I bought here are in size small, and I'm actually a size extra small on Skims. So yeah, I think this is really sexy. Cannot wait to wear that. These are more of the boy shorts. I like this for sleeping and when I'm on my cycle. So that's why I bought those. I also got it on this color, steel blue, and this is topaz. I also purchased two of her masks. The one on the black one, which on her website she calls it onyx and clay. This is color clay. I cannot find the black one. You gotta be somewhere in here. And I mean, I know that we're coming out of the pandemic, but still, why not? You know, and even like when I'm at the airport, when I'm traveling, I still wear my mask. Not every place right now you're still able to go in without wearing a mask. So love this. This is really pretty, and I love these colors. Oh, here goes the mask in color onyx, and how slick and cute, period. And I got the outdoor legging that's in color desert. These are in size small. This really fit me, which I'm super surprised and I really love. Again, there's still that stretchy material, so if you are a size small, I would recommend to get an extra small. If you are a medium, I would most likely recommend you to get a size small, just because her clothes are super stretchy. I was watching videos today, and even myself can wear an extra small. So next we have the outdoor leggings in color Pacific. Again, these are small, but they really fit me. Like, they do not look baggy or anything like that, and I love how this look. I will not really wear this in the summer, more like in the fall, winter, and early spring. Definitely, but not right now in the summer. It's too hot to wear this right now. Next, I got the Fits Everybody leggings in color Sienna. I really wanted to love this, and I didn't know how sheer this was. Again, I haven't worn this, I just tried it on, but this is super see-through. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but you can literally see my hand through there. Whatever color pennies, unless that is not this color, you wear. If you wear black pennies, thorns, whatever, it's gonna show through this material. And I wish I would have known about this, because Kim girl, what were you thinking about this product? Like, if you guys like this, let me know and why, because I don't. Like, this is a hell no. I will never in my life buy this ever again in my life. Ever. Next, here we have the outdoor fleece jogger in color Sooth. I love this. They're super great quality. They also stretch, which is insane. The only thing that I needed a size extra small. This is way too long for me. Like, you see that? You see that? Pretty much all of that takes. That part alone covers my torso and this part right here, which is insane. I don't know if I'm just gonna wear these as oversized. I don't know. I love them, but I needed maybe a size extra small or a size extra small. It will complement more my height. It will fit me a lot better than what this does. But again, that was my fault. That has nothing to do with Kim. I needed to do a little bit more of my research. Next, I have the outdoor fleece short in color Tiger Eye, and this is color Desert. I love these. These are really pretty, but again, I order a size small, so it's not really gonna complement my body. It looks a little baggy, like it's a little too big for me. And I'm gonna do a try on when I buy again from Skims, because I do absolutely plan on buying from them my size. I just need a break. I mean, first of all, I unboxed today 14 packages. I don't need to be ordering anything right now. Anything at all. I don't need to order anything. So yeah, love these. As you can see, this is my tiny body, and they literally cover my whole body. So you already know that these bitches are bag. Period. Like, no. And here it goes, the only shirt that I was able to buy. This is the Sleep High Neck Rib Tank in Onyx, color small. Again, this is way too loose for me. It does not complement my body. As you can see, it's huge. I wanted to love it. This is the only only shirt that I thought, okay, it's black, I gotta love it. Like, you know, anything black I love, but just the fact that it is too loose on me, that's the reason why I don't love it. Oh, it goes this way, by the way. And yeah, I will not be wearing this either. Also, that was the only shirt that I bought because everything else was sold out in my size by the time that I went to the website. And these are the velour bike short suit in color suit. And this is the only item that I bought on extra small. This is the only item that, one of the shorts that fits me perfectly fine because it is extra small. So I'm gonna be buying everything moving forward extra small. I love them, I think it's really pretty, and yeah. And this is the outdoor bike short, dark purple, extra, no, size small. I like these do not look bad at all on me. I think I would like to wear these with like an oversized shirt to complement my body a little bit more. The outdoor collection, when it comes to like the leggings, I do not mind wearing size small because that actually does fit my body. For some reason, I don't really understand it, but they are still very stretchy. So if you're wondering, not as stretchy as well, never mind. I'll take that back. They are really stretchy. So yeah, that concludes the Skim haul. You guys, this right here, I am super excited. You don't understand how many times I entered them draws for GCs. I am exhausted of how many times I get denied, but again, I was lucky and I got my oh my god, wait, I got my GC foam runners. Finally, I am so super obsessed with them. Like, baby, I need them in absolutely every color. Next time I'm going to the airport, when I don't know when, but whenever I'm flying again, I'm going on vacation again, baby, you're gonna catch me at the airport on these, unless that I get any other pair that might go with my outfit better than. But I'm absolutely obsessed. Finally got them. I need them in every single color. Literally, no cap. I need them in every color. Period. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's video. Again, like I mentioned, this is going to be a two-part video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first one. And if you're new into this channel, if you're new watching me and this is your first time and you're still watching me, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!